Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Pizza, and today we are going to be washing the camper and kind of doing a little water test on it. I haven't taken this out in any torrential downpours. I have camped in it while it was raining and I didn't get any leaks, but today I want to wash the outside since it's pretty dusty and we leave for a trip in a few days. So kind of just want to wash everything off and get everything clean before the trip. We're going to be hosing it down and kind of just testing if it leaks anywhere. I haven't had any major leaks yet, but we'll see what comes out of this video or what happens next. All right. All right, so here we go. I just doused it for a little bit. No water. I am not seeing any water. It's dry up here. Yep, pretty dry. There is a small leak right over here. I'm assuming it's where the welds come together. I'm just gonna probably silicone it. I'll wait for it to dry and then I'll just throw some silicone on it. Not a big issue. This side does not have that issue. Yeah, so it seems like the water is coming through. Let's see if you can see it. These tiny little cracks right here. But not too big of a deal. I could just silicone over them. I also do plan on covering up these channels, so shouldn't be too big of a deal in the future. Nothing actually leaked in through here, I don't think. But yeah, I think that was a pretty successful test. It didn't leak as bad as I thought it would. I knew that there would be some small spots, but nothing too crazy. I'm glad that it's mostly towards the back because it's easier to work on, and there was nothing like underneath anything. But yeah, it's just, if you guys plan on camping in some pretty wet areas, I would probably suggest just throwing on, I don't know if this is the best stuff, but this is what I use. It's Permatex black adhesive sealant, and I have this on all of the corners of the camper just to reinforce the seal there and help from water getting in. Yeah, it's a quick, easy fix. Again, guys, this is a sub $10,000 camper, so keep that in mind. Okay, so after pressure washing the outside and drying it off, I'm gonna check to see if there's any leaks. So up here, nothing, it is dry. This corner, also dry. All the seams seem pretty dry, nothing up top. You guys might notice that I've got some extra rubber up here. I just had a few rolls of this laying around from our doggy door install that I did in the house. But yeah, we're testing out how it goes. Going on an 8-day trip here soon, but it seems like they're holding up pretty well. This is the damage from when I went off-roading with the camper up. So up here is where it leaked on my first trip when I went down to Moab for Easter Jeep Safari and I was driving on the highway. Those have been sealed up and they are not leaking, so that's pretty good. We are going to be sealing up here and here, and I'm going to take a look at the outside and see if I need to seal that up as well. All in all, pretty happy with how it performed for this water test and wash. No major leaks. I was mostly concerned about the hinges and these back edges, since these don't actually have a hinge. It's just a rubber seal that when it folds up, it just seals along the edge. So pretty happy with how that is. I probably should have done this a little bit sooner, but I mean, I live in the desert, so it doesn't rain often, and I'm usually not camping in the rain. But it's good to see where it's leaking and where I need to seal it up. Should give me enough time to test out the seals before I do some winter camping this year. I've sealed up the top ones. I'm about to seal up these edge ones right here and the lower channels right here. And then that should hopefully get rid of all the water that's coming inside. And then I'll do the same for the other side right there as well. So all I'm doing is just throwing a bead down, then using the pick to kind of spread out the silicone and fill up the cracks. And that should be good. I'll probably clean it up a little bit, but yeah, you guys get the gist of it. And then I'll just do that right here, 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 top. So 6 on each of the back corners. All right, so we've got the corner sealed up now. We'll see how it holds up over time, but I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you like what you see, or you guys wanna see more, feel free to like and subscribe. It's totally free. I'll be at Overland Expo Mountain West in about a week. Hopefully this video goes up before that. But thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget, second weekend of October, we're gonna be doing the Alibaba camper meetup. This is Pizza, and I'll see you guys in the next one.